my dazzling friends, my name is Dee and I am here to take you on an exciting adventure with the letter D. Are you ready? Let's sing a song all about the letter D.
D is for dog, D is for drum, D is for dinosaur, here they come. D is for door, D is for duck, D is for dolphin, that's so fun.
Now it's time to learn how to write the letter D. Follow along with me. It's how you write a big D. Now let's try the small d. Well done, you did a fantastic job today, my dazzling friends. Keep practicing the letter D and look for D words all around you.
D is for dolphin, that's so fun.